Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Alright, so in this today tutorials we are gonna be learning how to apply our simple lens effect, alright, on objects to create a simple ball. Alright, so without wasting time, let's dive into the project. Like now, this is my interface, right? This is my A3 page, and the size is on landscape, or paper rotation is landscape. And I want to first use the start tool. So if you are just popping up your CorelDRAW, it will not be showing the start tool. So you don't have to panic. Anyways, the start tool is beneath the polygon tool, which the shortcut key is Y. So if you left click and hold on the left arrow, on the down part arrow, you're gonna see the start tool. Immediately you turn it on, your mouse cursor will change to the start tool already. So I'll hold control key to drag. All right, I'll hold control key to drag so that to give me the segment in equal side. All right, so I'll right click to remove outline, and I'll hold control key to drag it again to be in a straight vertical line. Control R to repeat effect. All right, so this is it. When I'm okay with the duplication of the numbers, I'll hold my control key, duplicate it vertically, and control R to repeat same effect. I'll group it and click letter P on my keyboard to size it in the page. It's already passing the page already, so I have to hold shift key to reduce it from equal segment. By doing this already, I'm done with the first layer. I will now click on my ellipse tool or control key to draw it to be the same size all around. You can now see the dimension here is the same. The horizontal is equivalent to the vertical. So that's the essence of you holding your control key while drawing any shapes on CorelDRAW. Alright. So now, is either I strike alternate F3 on my keyboard at the same time, or I go on effects to locate my lens effect tool. When I click on lens, a dialog box will appear here, and this is a preview pane. Alright, this is a preview layout, which anything that is happening to the CorelDRAW, like the object of my CorelDRAW right now, is previewing here. So I'll make sure, okay, I've selected the ellipse tool already, right? So I'll just click on the fish tool. Sorry, I'll click on the fish eye. When I click on the fish eye, you can now see that it's already previewing out here. So you can either choose to increase it or you decrease it. So any one of your choice is still good. Alright. So I'm okay like this. Alright. When I'm okay with the sizing and the reducing and the shaping, all I have to do is just frozen it. I'll click on frozen and then I'm done. Okay, I'll take this out. I'll delete this segment for now. I'm done with it. I'll click this frozen image and click letter P so that it will balance on my current draw. Alright, so I'll ungroup it. Now note, while ungrouping it, there are two object backgrounds in this particular frozen image. One is the one that is carrying the outline, alright, and the other one is this that is not carrying outline. I'm not gonna delete the one that is not carrying outline. I will just delete the one that has outline. Okay, so I'll delete it. When I delete it now, for me to add background color, I will select the one that is not having outline, the white shape under it, and I will drag my gradient tool. Alright, I've done my gradient tool. The both side is on white. All I want to make a blue ball right now. Alright, so I'll click the blue color side of it. So click on this, figure it out. Alright, so you can do any other color that you want. Alright, it is not compulsory you are using my color. I'm just okay using this color, so I'll drag it up here like this other part is too dark, so I have to play around it to make sure I'm giving a good color right here. Okay, this is it. It's cool. Alright, so this is how you create a simple ball using your lens effect. Alright, I'll group it and I'll reduce it. Okay, so I'll do import on my keyboard right now, Control I, and I'll go on my download folder. I'll search a background known as wood. Okay, I'll use this. I'm gonna increase it from both sides, holding my shift key. Okay, drag it. Let me just duplicate it. This is it. Okay, so let's bitmap it using RGB as cool. Then we reduce it. Still have to reduce it again. I need it to look real. Okay, so I'll double click on this rectangle shape to have the background form here. All right, so we can close this lens pen for now. We are done with it. Okay, so I'll right click this, but before I right click this, I have to color grade it. I need the color to pop up. Okay, so I'll go on color balance. Under adjust, you see color balance here. Yeah, use it. So you can see I've already have my settings already. The color has just pop up. Then I'll right click it and power click it inside the square background. Okay, then I'll bring my board down. I'll bring my board down. All right. So one more thing is for us to add a shadow on it. There are many ways to add shadow. All right. Okay, let me duplicate this. So I'll show you the other way of adding shadow, but I like using this particular one here. Okay. I'll right click and make sure it's on black color. Then I'll bitmap it using CNYK so that it will be full color and more black. Then I'll go on blur. I'll use Ocean blur. Alright, so I'll reduce it a little bit. That's good. Then I'll do control page down to bring the object behind the ball. To cast the shadow behind the ball. Do you get? So this is it. I'm gonna group this. So let me show you another way of adding shadow real quick to this. Alright, so this is another object without shadow. All I have to do is click it. Under this place you see drop shadow. Alright, you see this drop shadow. Then under the presets you choose the one that you want. You can use this. Alright, you can decide to bend it this way too. Then you can increase the fader so that it will look blur, and you can increase the opacity of the shadow. Alright, so this is it. At some point I do not like using this one, but I like creating my own shadow on my own, like what I just did here. Alright, so this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notification, like our video, and do